Hello, welcome to the Scholastic Challenge. Scholastic Challenge is a quick recall academic competition for students from area high schools. My name is Jacqueline Hawkins, the Division Chair for Arts and Humanities at Elizabethtown Community and Technical College, and I'll be your moderator for today. Our judge today is Dr. John Dryden, Associate Professor of Philosophy and Religious Studies. Even though our teams are familiar with the rules, I would like to state that although Scholastic Challenge is similar to Governor's Cup, it's a Hardin County Schools competition. Today's contestants are from Edmonson County High School and Grayson County High School. Now let's meet the team members and sponsor from Edmonson County High School.
Sarah Stewart is a freshman at ECHS and is the daughter of Chris and Meredith Stewart of Smiths Grove. In the future, Sarah hopes to visit every continent except Antarctica. Eli Pettigo is a sophomore at ECHS. He is the son of Brian and Christine Pettigo of Smiths Grove. After graduation, he plans to attend Western Kentucky University and major in economics. Sam Treese is a junior at ECHS. He is the son of Martin and Georgianne Treese of Smiths Grove. After graduation, he plans to attend Transylvania University and major in physics and astronomy. Gavin Dooley is a sophomore at ECHS. He is the son of Jason and Jennifer Dooley of Smiths Grove. After graduation, he plans to attend and major in psychology. Derek Stice is the coach of the Edmonson County High School academic team. Mr. Stice is a national board-certified physics teacher and teaches biology, physics, and AP physics at ECHS. Mr. Stice is also the coach of the robotics team and the co-sponsor of the science club. This is his 13th year teaching and coaching.
Now let's meet the team from Grayson and the sponsors from Grayson County High School.
Johnny is a senior at Grayson County High School. This is his 4th year on an academic team. Additionally, Johnny plays football and participates in Y Club. This past summer, Johnny attended the Governor's Scholar program at Murray State University. In his spare time, he hangs out with friends and plays video games instead of studying. After graduation, Johnny hopes to pursue an engineering degree at either the University of Louisville or the University of Kentucky. Hunter is a senior at Grayson County High School. This is his 6th year on an academic team. In his spare time, he plays Pokemon, League of Legends, and other video games. His favorite area of inquiry is learning mythology. Hunter hopes to attend Western Kentucky University to find himself. Alex is a senior at Grayson County High School. This is his 9th year on an academic team. He enjoys learning new things and playing League of Legends. Alex earned recognition for his National History Day project. After graduating high school, Alex hopes to attend Cornell University to major in engineering with a focus in the aerospace industry. Nathan is a junior at Grayson County High School. This is his 2nd year on an academic team. In addition to the academic team, Nathan also participates in the Medical Reserve Corps. Outside of the classroom, Nathan is self-studying the Chinese language. After graduating, Nathan wants to attend college to major in political science, and he hopes to study abroad in China. This is Bill Newsom's 4th year as an assistant coach of the academic team at the Grayson County High School. Mr. Newsom is a graduate of the University of Pikeville with a Bachelor in Science in Secondary English Education and Master's degree in English from Moorhead State University. Mr. Newsom teaches junior English, honors English, and AP English. In his spare time, Bill enjoys reading, particularly science fiction and fantasy, and tabletop role-playing games. Miss Arena Duval is in her 11th year as an assistant academic team coach, and this is her 21st year as a biology teacher at Grayson County High School. Miss Duval is a graduate of WKU with a Bachelor in Science in Molecular Genetics and a Master's degree in Library Science. Miss Duval teaches biology, honors biology, AP biology, microbiology, and genetics. She resides in Litchfield with her husband, 2 daughters, and 2 stepdaughters.
Coaches, you may return to your seats at this time. Contestants, remember that you may interrupt the reading of a toss-up question by buzzing in. However, if your answer is incorrect, the question will be reread in its entirety for the opposing team. Teams may confer on bonus questions, but the team captain must give the response. Remember, the bounce-back bonus will be in effect. All questions are worth 1 point, and each half will be 10 minutes long. Teams, are you ready? Let's begin the first half with a toss-up question. In 1964, 2 incidents reportedly occurred in which Southeast Asian body of water? The incidents led to the U.S. engaging more directly in the Vietnam War.
Edmonson County Trees.
South China Sea.
That's incorrect.
Grayson County Shelton.
North China Sea.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is the Gulf of Tonkin. Toss-up question. In 1925, King Victor Emmanuel III celebrated 25 years on the throne of what European nation?
Grayson County, Dennis.
Spain.
That's incorrect.
Edmonson County, Trees.
Switzerland.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is Italy. Toss-up. What is the only kind of wave we have directly detected which can travel through empty space?
Edmonson County, Dooley.
Light.
That's incorrect.
Grayson County, Dennis.
Microwave.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is electromagnetic. Toss-up question. George H.W. Bush once referred to the fiscal policies of this political opponent as voodoo economics. Name the opponent.
Grayson County, Shelton.
Dukakis.
That's incorrect.
Edmonson County, Trees.
Greenwich.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is Ronald Reagan. Toss-up. What is the coefficient of the fifth term of the expansion of the quantity x minus 2 to the fifth power? The correct response is 80. Toss-up question. What European country governed Palestine under the terms of a 1922 mandate by the League of Nations?
Edmonson County, Trees.
Great Britain.
That's correct. Bonus for Edmonson County. Fireballs are meteors that produce extremely bright streaks of light and sometimes explode while traveling through the atmosphere. What is the technical name for these meteors?
Comet.
That's incorrect. Bounce back?
Meteorite.
That is also incorrect. The correct response is bolides. Toss-up question. La Mer is an orchestral piece by which...
Edmonson County, Stewart.
Debussy.
That's correct. Bonus for Edmonson County. What poetic form did Elizabeth Barrett Browning use when writing under her nickname, the Portuguese?
Freestyle.
That's incorrect. Bounce back?
Sonnet.
That's correct. Toss-up question. This former leader of the Africa Corps was in line to become chief of state had the 1944 plot to assassinate Adolf Hitler succeeded, but he was caught and forced to swallow poison. Name this German military hero.
Grayson County, Meredith.
Rommel.
That's correct. Bonus for Grayson County. This name is shared by a Swiss watch and a Swiss developmental psychologist whose theories form the basis of early childhood education in America. What is the name?
Piaget.
That's correct. Toss-up question. In 1493, Spain and Portugal settled a dispute over newly discovered lands by dividing the New World.
Grayson County, Shelton.
Treaty of Tortoisai.
That is incorrect. I'll complete the question. By dividing the New World at what line?
Edmonson County, Pedigo.
Line of demarcation.
That's correct. Bonus for Edmonson County. What is the limit of the function g of x equals the quantity x squared plus 6x plus 1 closed quantity over the quantity x minus 3 closed quantity as x approaches 3?
1.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
12.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is that it's undefined or infinity. Toss-up question. What country emerged from the Peace of Westphalia in 1648 as continental Europe's dominant power?
Edmonson County, Trees.
Spain.
That's incorrect.
Grayson County, Shelton.
Prussia.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is France. Toss-up question. What adjective is used to describe the shape of the Earth's orbit around the sun?
Edmonson County, Trees.
Perihelial.
That's incorrect.
Grayson County, Dennis.
Elliptical.
That's correct. Bonus for Grayson County. What membrane-bound sacs in many cells are used for storage of proteins and waste chemicals?
Vacuole.
That's correct. Toss-up. A famous nuclear physicist exiled to Gorky and noted for his hunger strikes was the Soviet Union's...
Grayson County Dennis.
Sakharov.
That's correct. Bonus for Grayson County. This historical age began about 1000 BCE with the Hittites. Name it.
Iron Age.
That's correct. Toss-up question. What kind of biological molecule is the primary component of nucleoli in cells?
Edmonson County Trees.
Nucleotides.
That's incorrect. The correct response is RNA. Toss-up question. Wiglaf survives the battle with the dragon.
Grayson County Dennis.
Beowulf.
That's correct. Bonus for Grayson County. The diagonal of a square is 10 feet in length. The length of one side in feet is equal to the square root of what number?
Five.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
50.
That's correct. Toss-up question. Name the U.S. president who fired Douglas MacArthur from his command.
Edmonson County Trees.
Eisenhower.
That's incorrect. I'll complete the question. Name the U.S. president who fired Douglas MacArthur from his command in Korea.
Grayson County Shelton.
Truman.
That's correct. Bonus for Grayson County. What is the name for radiation such as gamma rays and X-rays that can remove electrons from atoms?
Ionizing.
That's correct. Toss-up question. The Kaaba, a building containing the Black Stone, is in which city?
Edmonson County Stewart.
Mecca.
That's correct. Bonus for Edmonson. To which school of painting do the works of Joan Miro belong?
Barbizon.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
Impressionist.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is surrealism. Toss-up question. Damien Chazelle won the Best Director Academy Award for which 2016 film?
Grayson County Shelton.
Moonlight.
That's incorrect. The correct response is La La Land. Toss-up question. Sines and cosines are never greater than what value?
Edmonson County Trees.
1.
That's correct. Bonus for Edmonson. Name the volcano which erupted in 79 AD, destroying the city of Pompeii.
Vesuvius.
That's correct. Toss-up question. What name is given to the process in which a virus enters a cell, multiplies, and destroys the cell?
Edmonson County Stewart.
Reproduction.
That's incorrect.
Grayson County Dennis.
Replication.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is the listic cycle. Toss-up question. This 19th century poet was thought to be the first American to use free verse as the rhythm scheme for his poems. His works include the poem, O Captain, My Captain.
Grayson County Dennis.
Walt Whitman.
That's correct. Bonus for Grayson County. In geometry, a figure consisting of 3 segments that have 3 non-collinear points as their endpoints is called what?
Triangle.
That's correct. Toss-up question. What compound is formed when hydrogen is burned?
Edmonson County Pedigo.
Carbon monoxide.
That's incorrect. The correct response is water. And that concludes the first half of this game of the Scholastic Challenge. The current score is Edmonson County 7, Grayson County 12. During halftime, we like to learn a little bit about the high schools that our teams represent. Here to tell us about Edmonson County High School is Sarah Stewart.
Edmonson County High School is located in Brownsville, Kentucky, adjacent to beautiful Mammoth Cave National Park. Edmonson County High School's mission is to provide instruction to all students, which prepares them to become successful within the school community environment, thus becoming productive members of the society. To that end, ECHS provides dual credit, advanced placement, and industry-certified courses in numerous fields such as science, mathematics, English, welding, auto mechanics, and computer maintenance. The high school also endeavors to provide students with a well-rounded education by providing athletics and numerous clubs. The Edmonson County High School academic team is grateful for the opportunity to participate in this year's event.
Thank you, Sarah. And now here to tell us about Grayson County High School is Dakota Boaz.
Grayson County High School is located in Litchfield, Kentucky. The school was established in 1974 after 3 high schools throughout the county were consolidated. Todd Johnson is the principal of this school that enrolls 1,300 students. In addition to the high school, the campus is home to a technology center that teaches vocational education. The Grayson County Cougars hope to have a successful showing at the KAAC district, regional, and state tournaments later this year.
Thank you, Dakota. We want to welcome you back to the second half of the Scholastic Challenge between Edmonson County High School and Grayson County High School. We've had no substitutions at the half, so we are going to begin the second half with a toss-up question. Toss-up. The shadow of a man 6 feet tall, cast by a street lamp 10 feet behind him, is 12 feet in length. How far above the ground is the lamp? The correct response is 11 feet. Toss-up question. Who was the famous captain of the HMS Endeavour? The correct response is James Cook. Toss-up question. If you were a financial advisor, you would know the abbreviation IRA. What does IRA stand for?
Edmonson County Stewart.
International Revenue Association.
That's incorrect.
Grayson County Shelton.
International Revenue Agency.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is individual retirement account. Toss-up question. Attics should be ventilated so that hot summer air may be removed by which means of heat transfer?
Grayson County Dennis.
Convection.
That's correct. Bonus for Grayson County. What is the only surviving order of oviparous mammals?
Monitoring.
That's correct. Toss-up question. What city is located between Puget Sound and Lake Washington?
Grayson County Shelton.
Seattle.
That's correct. Bonus for Grayson County. What is the mass of an object if its speed is 20 meters per second and its kinetic energy is 400 joules?
Two kilograms.
That's correct. Toss-up question. Each other and one another are examples of what type of pronouns?
Edmonson County Dooley.
Relative.
That's incorrect.
Grayson County Dennis.
Singular.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is reciprocal pronouns. Toss-up question. 2 answers are required here. Name the first 2 organized political parties to participate in U.S. national elections.
Grayson County Dennis.
Federalist and Democratic Republican.
That's correct. Bonus for Grayson County. Identify the ferryman who charged 1 obol to carry a passenger across the River Styx to Hades.
Charon.
That's correct. Toss-up question. Name the art form that consists of shapes that are balanced and arranged on wire arms to allow...
Grayson County Dennis.
Mobile.
That's correct. Bonus for Grayson County. In 1908, this children's classic was first published by L.C. Page and Company, and it has since been translated into 36 languages and sold more than 50 million copies. Name this L.M. Montgomery novel.
Anne of Green Gables.
That is correct. Toss-up question. The Internal Revenue Service is part of which cabinet department?
Edmonson County Trees.
Department of Treasury.
That's correct. Bonus for Edmonson. What is the limit of the quantity x squared minus 196 closed quantity divided by the quantity x plus 14 closed quantity as x approaches negative 14?
1.
That's incorrect. Bounce back. The correct response is negative 28. Toss-up question. Reduction at the cathode and oxidation at the anode are characteristic of which chemical process?
Grayson County Shelton.
Glycolysis.
That's incorrect.
Edmonson County Trees.
Ionic conversion.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is electrolysis. Toss-up question. We need 2 answers, please. Identify the first and 6th wives of Henry VIII of England.
Grayson County Shelton.
The 6th is Catherine Parr and the 1st is Anne Boleyn.
That's incorrect.
Edmonson County Dooley.
First is Catherine of Aragon. Last is Catherine Parr.
That's correct. Bonus for Edmonson. Portia's suitors are put to the test and Bassanio triumphs. In which play by William Shakespeare?
Measure of measure.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
Merchant of Venice.
That is correct. Toss-up question. In which organ of a plant would one expect to find spongy and palisade parenchyma?
Edmonson County Trees.
Cell wall.
That's incorrect.
Grayson County Dennis.
Xylem.
That is also incorrect. The correct response is leaf. Toss-up question. The formula SF2 is the chemical formula for what compound?
Edmonson County Trees.
Sulfur difluoride.
That's correct. Bonus for Edmonson. In Xanadu did Kubla Khan a stately pleasure dome decree are the first 2 lines of the poem Kubla Khan by which English romantic poet?
Longfellow.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
Coleridge.
That's correct. Toss-up question. By what other name is the lanthanide series of elements known?
Edmonson County Trees.
Halogens.
That's incorrect.
Grayson County Shelton.
Alkali metals.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is rare earth. Toss-up. Which swift-footed woman from Greek mythology?
Edmonson County Trees.
Attila.
That is incorrect. I'll finish the question. Which swift-footed woman from Greek mythology would only consent to marry if her suitor could beat her in a foot race?
Grayson County Dennis.
Atalanta.
That's correct. Bonus for Grayson. This highly reactive intermediate state may exist independently for short periods during the course of a chemical reaction. By what name is it known?
Equilibrium.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
Island of equilibrium.
That is also incorrect. The correct response is free radical. Toss-up question. What is the term for the day on which the sun reaches its greatest declination?
Edmonson County Pedigo.
Summer solstice.
That is incorrect, and I'll complete the question. What is the term for the day on which the sun reaches its greatest declination, north or south?
Grayson County Dennis.
Solstice.
That is correct. Bonus for Grayson County. What is the area of a parallelogram whose sides are 16 feet and 12 feet and whose smallest interior angle is 45 degrees?
$45.
That is incorrect. Bounce back.
182 square feet.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is 9 radical 2 square feet. Toss-up question. What is the general name for elements that are good conductors of heat and electricity and have the tendency to form positive ions?
Edmonson County trees.
Metals.
That's correct. Bonus for Edmonson. What was the political party of President Warren Harding?
Wig.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
Democrat.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is Republican. Toss-up question. Who published a nearly 100-page booklet, usually referred to as the Reynolds pamphlet, in order to preserve his public reputation and free himself of charges of corruption during his time as Secretary of the Treasury?
Edmonson County Stewart.
Alexander Hamilton.
That is correct. Bonus question. What geometric shape is produced by the graph of the equation x squared plus the quantity y minus 1?
Ellipse.
That is incorrect. I won't complete the question. That concludes today's match of the Scholastic Challenge. The final score is Edmonson County 12, Grayson County 24.